Welcome to Lesson 8. In this session, we will explore the fundamentals of UI and UX design and how thoughtful design choices can dramatically improve the user experience of your application. UI UX design plays a crucial role in how users feel when interacting with your application. A well designed interface enhances satisfaction, increases engagement, and improves both usability and accessibility. Good design helps users achieve their goals with ease. When designing user interfaces, the focus should be on intuitive navigation and a clean layout. Consistency in visual elements and branding helps users feel comfortable and familiar with the system, creating a smooth and predictable experience. Prototyping allows us to visualize design concepts before development begins. Tools like Sketch, Figma, and Adobe XD helps designers create interactive models, experiment with ideas, and define layouts quickly and efficiently. Usability testing is essential for refining your design. By gathering user feedback, you can identify pain points and areas of confusion. Through interactive testing and improvements, you ensure the final interface is user friendly and aligned with the real user needs. In summary, UI UX design is fundamental to creating applications that are not only visually appealing but also intuitive and enjoyable to use. Prototyping helps shape ideas, and usability testing ensures the final product meets user expectations. If you have questions or want to explore UI UX examples for your teacher's management system, let us talk about them now.